student, welcome back to my channel. Today I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Longitudes and Latitudes, chapter 2 in social study books, class 5. First of all, I will solve question answer of this lesson. I will solve some question in book. Let's start now. Circle the correct option. First, how many lines of latitudes are there? 180. Second, who circumnavigated the earth to prove that it is spherical in shape? Ferdinand Magellan. Third, which lines of longitude is assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory is Greenwich prime meridian. 4. Which latitude is also called the great circle? Equator. 5. What is the network of intersecting lines used to find the exact location of the place known as Arctic Circle? Fill in the blanks. B. Fill in the blank. The shape of the earth is like an orange but slightly flattened at the top of at the bottom. Second, longitude meet at the poles and they are farthest apart at the equator. Latitude are parallel equidistant lines at the distance of 1 degree toward the north and south from the equator. 4. Antarctic Circle is located at 66 1 by 2 degree south from the equator. 5. The lines of longitude run from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, student, I have done some question in book. After that, C and D and E in notebook. Longitude and latitudes. First, answer the following question in short. What are longitudes and latitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines that run vertically from the north to south. Latitudes are imaginary lines circling around the earth from east to west. To name some important lines of latitude, answer some important lines of latitude. First, the equator 0 degree. Second, the tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Third, the tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. 4. The Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. 5. The Antarctica Circle 66.5 degree south. 6. The North Pole 90 degree north. 3. What is the prime meridian? The prime meridian is the standard line of longitude assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich near London. 4. How many lines of latitudes are there? There are 2 lines of latitudes, North Pole to South Pole. D. Answer the following question in details. How do we find the location of a place on Earth? The lines of longitudes and latitudes intersect each other at the right angle which form grid on map or globe. 2. Who proved that the earth is spherical in shape? How? Aristotle 384 to 322 BC was among the first to recognize the fact of our planet being a round shape. He observed lunar eclipses and noticed that only a round shape could imply a circular shadow. This astronomical observation was confirmed by general observation made at sea. 3. Differentiate between longitudes and latitudes. Longitudes, latitudes. First, measures the distance of a location east or west of the prime meridian. Latitudes measures the distance of a location north to south of our equator. Second, longitudes lines called meridians run vertically around the earth and meet at the north and south poles. Latitudes lines are parallel to the equator and run east and west. 3. There are 360 lines of latitudes. 3. There are 180 lines of latitudes. Think and answer. First, why do we have 360 longitudes and only 180 latitudes? Answer: because the equator forms a complete circle while the lines from the North Pole to South Pole only form a semicircle. Second, why do the lines of latitude decrease when moving toward the poles? Answer: the lines of latitude decrease in size as you move toward the poles because the earth is on oblate separate, meaning it bulges at the equator and tapers toward the poles. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.